Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best miter box is probably one of the most essential tools for any woodworking enthusiast or DIYer. It allows you to make precise angle cuts, which is crucial for projects like picture frames, crown molding, and baseboards. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of miter boxes with saws, exploring their features, benefits, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Excel Blade 6-inch miter box set. Unleash your creativity with this essential tool. It's perfect for woodworking, model building, and various hobby projects. This miter box features 45 degrees and 90 degrees angle slots for precise cuts. The included saw blade ensures clean and straight cuts every time. Built to last, the set includes a heavy-duty aluminum miter box and a hardened carbon steel saw blade. It provides excellent stability and consistent performance. Its lightweight and compact design offers easy handling and workspace protection. It's suitable for artists, model makers, and DIY enthusiasts. With over 30 years of experience, this family-owned business delivers high-quality precision tools. You can trust it for superior performance and durability. What we like. This miter box set offers precision cutting, perfect for intricate projects. Its durable construction ensures it will last through many projects. If you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional craftsman who values accuracy and quality, you should consider this. What people say. The cuts are clean and come out pretty great. The blade is sharp and cuts nicely. The box has a clever design that keeps it in place against a table edge when you push the saw. Number 4. Stanley 20-600 miter box with saw. This miter box and saw set is perfect for baseboard and trim corner cuts. It makes your projects easier and more precise. With measured slots, it's easy to cut 90, 45, and 22.5 degree angles. The saw ensures accurate cuts every time. The miter box is designed to make angle cutting simple. It's a great tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It also features molded-in storage bins. You can keep cam pins and pencils organized and within reach. This set from Stanley is built for durability and ease of use. It's a reliable tool for any project. What we like. This miter box is ideal for baseboard and trim corner cuts. It provides measured slots for 90, 45, and 22.5 degree angles. If you are looking for a tool that simplifies angle cutting with added convenience, you should consider it. What people say. The miter box and saw are well made. The saw cuts smoothly and accurately. The miter box is easy to use and provides precise angles. Number 3. Gold Deluxe Razor Saw with Miter Box 35-221. This is the Gold Deluxe Razor Saw with Miter Box 35-221. It's a precision tool designed for detailed work. The saw and miter box are made to help you get the job done right. Featuring a deluxe fine curve saw, this tool provides clean and accurate cuts. The blade is designed for precision, making it ideal for a variety of projects. You'll appreciate the quality of the cuts. The included aluminum thin slot miter box ensures accurate angles. It provides a stable platform for your cuts, allowing for precise results. This feature enhances the saw's overall functionality. The package dimensions are 14.0 inches long, 4.0 inches wide, and 1.5 inches high. This compact size makes it easy to store and transport. It's a convenient package for a powerful tool. The item package weighs only 1 pound. This lightweight design makes it easy to handle and maneuver. You'll find it comfortable to work with for extended periods. This product is proudly made in the USA. It reflects a commitment to quality and craftsmanship. You can trust in its durability and performance. What we like. This set features a fine curve saw for precise cuts. The aluminum miter box ensures durability and accuracy. If you like a compact, high-quality tool for detailed work, you should consider this. What people say. The miter is some sort of bare hardened copper color, not yellow like in the image, but quiet, resilient and hard to scratch up, and very precise. You get 90 degree, 45° and 60-30° slits on the miter. Cuts clean and precisely. Number 2. GreatNeck BSB 14 Mitre Box and Saw Set. Introducing the GreatNeck BSB 14. This set is designed for cutting soft and hard woods. It ensures smoother cutting for your projects. The kit includes a reinforced steel back saw. The straight edge helps the blade stay perfectly aligned. It provides a 3-inch depth cut. It features preset 45 and 90-degree angles. This allows for precise beveled corner cuts. It's accurate and easy to use. The set includes a built-in 8.5-inch ruler. This feature allows for quick measurements. It helps you make precise cuts every time. This compact set has a high-impact polystyrene miter box. The steel saw has a comfortable, high-impact plastic handle. It's built to last. What we like. This miter box and saw set is designed for smoother cutting of various wood types. It includes a reinforced back saw for straight cuts. If you are looking for a reliable tool for woodworking and beveled corner cuts, you should consider this. What people say. The miter box and saw are well made. The saw cuts smoothly and accurately. The miter box is easy to use and provides precise angles. Number 1. Stanley 1-20-600 Mitre Box with Saw, Black. This is the Stanley 1-20-600 Mitre Box. It's a handy tool for your cutting needs. It comes with a saw and is designed for precision. The miter box features slots for 90°, 45°, and 22.5° angles. This allows you to make a variety of cuts with ease. It makes your work more efficient. This miter box has a patented storage system for the saw. It keeps the saw secure and makes it easy to transport. It's a convenient feature. With an 11.81-inch length, it's compact and easy to handle. It's perfect for both small and large projects. This design makes it very practical. The miter box is made of aluminum, ensuring durability. This material ensures it will last a long time. It's a reliable tool for any job. What we like. This miter box offers 90°, 45°, and 22.5° slots for versatile cutting. It features a patented storage system for the saw, keeping everything organized. If you like a compact and organized solution for your cutting needs, you should consider this. What people say. Love the black plastic pressure chocks. I was able to get better cuts with this box because of that, on trim, than I have been able to do in past with other boxes without those devices. All of their stuff is designed and manufactured better than ever from what I've seen. The Serrucho has the Mango de Plástico y cumple con sobresaliente su función y la ingladadora es de plástico y tiene numerosos agujeros en su base para sujetar los países que quieres cortar por medio de dos vástagos que también se acompañan con el conjunto. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.